Let's be honest though, the real enemy isn't school, it isn't work neither, it isn't duties or responsibilities. No, my friend, the real enemy in life is the alarm clock.
No! God, please, no! No!
That little demon that rings at 6 a.m. like it owns your soul. Today you're going to understand more about this concept, this perspective, or battling against your own alarm clock every fucking morning. That's your guy for another video. It's a Monday morning. The alarm goes off, right? The ringtone is a bit like what do? Of course, you hit snooze, right? If you're a normal person, you do that. But here's the thing. The problem is, snooze isn't exactly 5 minutes. Snooze became a lifestyle through the time. You hit snooze, you already lost a war. Because now you're bargaining with time like,
if I wake up at 6:15 instead of 6, that's basically the same thing, right?
the thing is that it doesn't stop there. No, it doesn't. You keep making deals with yourself.
Okay. If I wake up at 6:30, I'll just skip breakfast. If I wake up at 6:45, I'll shower in 2 minutes.
By the time you're negotiating, it's basically 7:30 and you're still in bed sleeping like a sloth or like Gumbo who fell down the first floor.
Hey, yo, what the?
Like bro, all you wanna do is to sleep peacefully, enjoying the moment. Maybe you spent a shitty week, but oh wait, it's Monday, so it must be a shitty weekend, right? It's Monday, dummy! The alarm clock, you did it yourself. You set it up yourself because it is your duty to wake up in time. Because you have to be awake to experience every fucking seconds of your entire life. That's why you set it up. Do you remember that? No? Okay, I don't give a fuck. Even if deep down you really wanna smash this fucking alarm clock, bro. And the worst part, when you finally start to wake up to go brush your teeth, the alarm clock is just sitting there, all smug, silent, like it won an entire battle. You are brushing your teeth, half asleep, and thinking,
Tomorrow I'll wake up on time.
Do it!
sheesh, that's the biggest lie on earth, bro. That's just to tell you that it's okay, bro. I also snooze my alarm clock every morning like a farting sloth. You smell like a farting sloth. It's just to reassure you that it's okay. There's two types of person on earth. The ones who wake up when the alarm rings, and the rest of us. Yeah, still fighting the war. Shinzo sasageyo.
Shinzo sasageyo!
That was a guy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then hit the like button. It will really be heartwarming from you. Take care of your mental health. See you all in the next video, and sayonara.